I have just casted my vote, and I have been taking general report from everywhere, and in general, it's been very positive. We're getting very good reviews from all over the constituency, and we're very confident that we will come out successful in this election. And at this point, I can only urge all voters and the population from Garo Hills to come out in large numbers and cast their vote, because really this is really a very important exercise, and I think every citizen should exercise the power that has been given to them to cast and elect and select their representative.
So your opponent has been campaigning that saying that there is a threat to democracy. So the elections are over, or mudslingings are over. So what do you say? Is there any threat to democracy as such?
No, I think the entire process of election is democratic. So I don't think there's any threat to any democracy. In fact, the past government also was elected democratically. Even now, the process that's happening is happening democratically. So I don't see any reason why the opposition has to bring out these kind of slogans, saying that there's threat to democracy. Every election process is a democratic process, and it has been happening in a free and fair manner, and the same will happen even now. So therefore, it is a democratic process, and whoever the public desires and gets majority will run the country.
Would you like to wish your opponent, party's opponent?
Well, obviously, everybody has worked hard. I've been saying it from day one that we cannot underestimate anybody, and in election time, you cannot take anything easy. So therefore, we have always been saying that we're working hard, and yes, the opposition has worked very hard, and we'll wish everyone the best, and let's see what happens in the results on the 23rd of May.